Tzu Chi Foundation. I'm not sure whether how many people have heard about Tzu Chi recently, because we kind of like Red Cross, but from Taiwan. Like these days, we try have the 4 categories. The first one is to help the people in need, and the others is we find sometimes it's because of the illness that will comes for people lose their money or their family. So we kind of work with medical support also. We have gathered a lot of medical doctors and the dentists to the remote areas to help others. And also, we think the education is very important. So that international-wise, we help to build a school so that the kids can go to school to have a very good education. And finally, we would like to have a broadcast the old good deeds instead of everyone talking about the news about the social problems, the wars. We would like to bring everyone the peace and the blessing. But starting with the Tzu Chi Foundation is starting with this bamboo banks. So we believe everyone have the capability to help others in need. So these days, we know in the East Coast, the New York City, millions of people also suffering from the big Sandy hurricane. Just one night, people lose their house, lose their family, lose everything in New York. So like Tzu Chi have 100 of branches, thousands of people go to the street to have a fundraising for the people, survivors from the Sandy hurricanes. So I think everyone have their capability to help others in need. What we need is your heart that can really help people. So even a penny, a quarter, if thousands, millions of us come together, we can definitely help to relieve the suffering of our people in the East Coast. So anyone think like you can donate just a penny or a dime to help the people in the East Coast? So if you can help, it's highly appreciated. Everyone can help. If a million of us that can get together with just a penny a dime, then that would be great. So right now, I would like to everyone to sing with us, God Bless America. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Everyone knows what it looks like. It's a spring, like a lot of birds singing in a spring. That brings us the hope, of everyone. The music is great. bless America. And I love for the night heard and guided through the night with a light from above, from the fountains to the prairies, to the oceans, wide and far. God bless America, my whole sweet home. God bless America, my whole sweet home. God bless America. When I love, when beside her and guide her through the night with a light from above, from the altars to the prairies, to the oceans, wide with fall. God bless America, my whole sweet home. God bless America, my home sweet home. Thank you. God bless America. God bless every of you. Thank you.
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에